Dear students, today we are going to study experiment number 2, that is RC series circuit. Now let us see the instruments required for this experiment. We required single phase auto transformer, then 3 digital multimeters for voltage measurement, another digital multimeter for current measurement, 200 ohms rheostat and 2.5 microfarad capacitor, which is 440 volt capacitor. Now let's connect the circuit. Single phase auto transformer is connected to single phase power supply. So this is our auto transformer which is connected to single phase power supply. This is power supply. After this, one of the terminal from auto transformer is connected to positive terminal of current meter, which is nothing but digital multimeter. So this terminal from auto transformer is connected to milliampere slot of digital multimeter. This multimeter we are going to set on AC voltage. After this, common terminal from current meter is connected to one of the terminal of rheostat. Now see here, common of current meter is connected to one of the terminal of rheostat. Now another terminal from rheostat is connected to a capacitor. So this terminal from rheostat is connected to capacitor. So this is our capacitor. See, this capacitor is connected to one of the terminal of rheostat. Now another terminal from capacitor is connected to common terminal of auto transformer. This is the common terminal of auto transformer. See the connection. One of the terminal from capacitor is connected to common terminal of auto transformer. This is the common terminal of auto transformer. So this is our entire setup for RC series circuit. Now we are going to connect digital multimeters or voltmeters in this circuit. This is the AC voltmeter which is connected across an auto transformer which indicates value of input AC voltage. So it is connected across an auto transformer. This meter is also set to AC voltage. Now another voltmeter we are going to connect across rheostat and capacitor. So see here, this voltmeter, AC voltmeter, is connected across rheostat. This is positive terminal of voltmeter, this is common terminal of voltmeter. So this voltmeter will indicate value of voltage across rheostat. Now another voltmeter is connected across a capacitor. So this AC voltmeter is connected across capacitor. So it will indicate a value of voltage across capacitor. Now this is our current meter. So this is the current meter which gives value of input current. Now let's have a look at entire setup of RC series circuit. Now let's measure the readings. We have to measure input voltage, then input current, voltage across rheostat and voltage across capacitor. So these 4 parameters we are going to measure. We have to take 3 readings for 30 volt, 60 volt and 90 volt. First we are going to vary voltage across an auto transformer. See the first reading. I am going to vary this auto transformer. Let's check the multimeter. This is our first reading. So input voltage is 30 volt. For 30 volt we are going to see input current is 23.6 milliampere. Unit is milliampere. Now let's check voltage across rheostat, which is 35.8 volt. Unit is volt. Then voltage across capacitor, which is 30 volt. See, unit is volt. So this is our first reading. Now take another reading. So vary auto transformer till it shows 60 volt. This is our second reading. So input voltage is 60 volt. For 60 volt input voltage, input current is 47.2 milliampere. So in this way we have to measure reading for 90 volt also. So these are the readings I have taken for 30 volt, 60 volt and 90 volt input voltage. You have to copy these readings in your notebook and you have to complete rest of the calculations by using formulas from the manual. This observation table you have to complete as per your readings. After completing observation table, draw the phasor diagrams as per your readings.